Want your kitchen to work smarter without the extra hassle? These Amazon kitchen gadgets are shockingly useful, turning everyday cooking, cleaning, and organizing into smooth, effortless routines. From clever prep tools to space-saving helpers, each one solves problems you didn't even realize you had. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Perfect dough balls shouldn't take all day. This automatic dough rounder turns messy dough portions into smooth, uniform balls in one simple pass. You just feed the dough in, and it shapes each piece evenly, just like hand rolling but way faster. The adjustable roller lets you control the size, so you get consistent results every time. With dual motors powering the belt and roller, it keeps things moving smoothly and saves you serious effort in busy kitchens. From pizza to bread to tortillas, it keeps your prep clean, fast, and stress-free. So if you want perfectly shaped dough every time, scan the QR on screen. Juicing just got way easier. This cold press juicer lets you drop in whole fruits without stopping to chop everything up first. Inside, a powerful but quiet motor slowly presses ingredients, which means you get more juice and better flavor with less foam. Swap the strainer and you can make fresh juice, creamy nut milk, or even frozen fruit sorbet. Cleanup is simple too, so you actually want to use it every day. So if you want fresh juice with zero hassle, scan the QR on screen. This countertop oven is like having a full kitchen packed into one box. It bakes, air fries, steams, and more, so you can cook almost anything without switching appliances. The steam feature keeps food juicy inside while still crisping the outside, which means no more dry chicken or bread. Easy controls and preset modes make it simple for you to get great results without guessing. And when you're done, the self-clean function handles the mess, so cleanup feels effortless. So if you want restaurant-quality meals at home, scan the QR on screen. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier. This compact omelet maker lets you cook 2 fluffy omelets or snack pockets at the same time without touching a pan. You pour in your mix, close the lid, and it cooks evenly on both sides with no flipping needed. The non-stick surface means your food slides right out, and cleanup takes seconds. It's quick, simple, and perfect when you want a warm, homemade breakfast without the mess. Chopping veggies doesn't have to slow you down. This all-in-one chopper turns onions, fruits, and vegetables into neat pieces with one simple press. You just swap the blade, push down, and everything drops straight into the built-in container. No messy counters and no tired hands. It even lets you spiralize when you want something different. Fast prep, easy cleanup, and way less hassle every time you cook. Hot meals shouldn't stop just because you're traveling. This foldable electric cooker lets you boil, simmer, and cook simple meals almost anywhere. It collapses down flat for easy packing, then pops open when you're ready to use it. The food-safe silicone body handles heat safely while the base heats evenly. Just plug it in, turn the dial, and you've got noodles, soup, or porridge ready in minutes. No kitchen required. So if you want hot meals anywhere, scan the QR on screen. Breading food shouldn't cover your kitchen in crumbs. This all-in-one batter bowl keeps everything contained from start to finish. You pour in the seasoning, add your meat or veggies, close the lid, and shake. The coating sticks evenly without using multiple bowls or plates. When you're done, there's almost no mess and barely any cleanup, making it perfect for quick dinners or feeding a crowd. Breakfast prep just got a makeover. This multifunction egg cutter slices, peels, and segments hard-boiled eggs perfectly every time. You can switch between 3 slicing modes to get exactly the shape you want for salads, sandwiches, or snacks. The stainless steel wires make clean cuts without crushing your eggs, while the compact design fits neatly in any kitchen drawer. Quick, easy, and mess-free, it's perfect for anyone who loves simple, precise prep. Hot water, tea, or soup, this Smart Health Pot does it all. With 7 preset modes, you can boil, brew, or warm milk exactly how you like it. The 2.5-liter capacity heats quickly, so you're not waiting around, and the 24-hour keep warm function makes sure hot water is ready whenever you need it. Food-safe glass and stainless steel keep your drinks pure and tasty. Easy to pour, easy to clean, and perfect for busy kitchens or offices. So if you want hot drinks ready anytime, scan the QR on screen. Handling hot bowls just got safer. This 3-in-1 gripper works as a bowl clip, hot plate holder, and even a jar opener, all in one handy tool. The adjustable heads grip plates and bowls of any size, while the textured surface keeps everything from slipping, even greasy dishes. Heat-resistant silicone and an ergonomic handle protect your hands while giving a secure hold. Compact, versatile, and perfect for busy kitchens where safety meets convenience. Want to chop, slice, or grate like a kitchen pro without flipping a single switch? This 8-in-1 manual food cutter handles everything from thick slices to matchstick julienne cuts, coarse or fine grating, and even perfect little dice. You crank it by hand, so you're in full control of speed and texture. No cords, no batteries, no fuss. A built-in handguard keeps your fingers safe, while the non-slip base keeps it steady. Cleanup is simple too, with dishwasher-safe parts and a compact design that tucks away neatly when not in use. Bring backyard BBQ vibes straight to your countertop. This 4-in-1 electric indoor grill lets you roast, grill, bake, and even roll hot dogs or kebabs, all in one compact setup. The 360-degree rotating skewers and rollers cook food evenly without flipping, giving you juicy, crisp results every time. Dual-zone cooking means you can sear meat fast on one layer while gently warming veggies below. Cleanup is a breeze with removable, non-stick parts, making smoky, delicious meals hassle-free. So if you want perfectly cooked BBQ anytime, scan the QR on screen. Imagine perfect rice every single time with zero guesswork. This advanced rice cooker uses fuzzy logic technology to adjust cooking automatically, giving you ideal texture and flavor for white, brown, sushi, or short grain rice. You can also steam, slow cook, make porridge, or even bake a cake, everything from one sleek device. The ceramic inner bowl is durable, easy to clean, and has clear water lines for precise cooking. A bright LED display and 24-hour timer make it simple to plan meals for any time of day. Tired of waiting for hot water to arrive? This instant heating faucet delivers near-boiling water in seconds, so you can wash, cook, or clean without delay. The rotatable spout lets you aim the water exactly where you need it, making tasks easier and faster. You get both hot and cold options, with an easy-to-read temperature display for perfect control. Safety is built in, with separate water and electricity channels. Compact and sleek, it fits most sinks and works anywhere, from kitchens to RVs or offices. Imagine one countertop gadget that makes pizza, omelets, quesadillas, and more without taking over your kitchen. This all-in-one electric pizza maker heats quickly on top and bottom, giving crispy crusts and perfectly cooked fillings every time. Non-stick plates make cleanup simple, and LED lights tell you when it's ready to go. It's compact enough to store vertically, saving precious counter space. Plus, a digital cookbook gives you inspiration for everything from pancakes to calzones. So if you want quick, delicious meals in one gadget, scan the QR on screen. Getting water has never been this easy. This portable electric pump attaches to 5-gallon bottles and delivers water with just a tap. One press gives a quick drink, or hold for a few seconds to fill big containers. It's USB rechargeable and lasts for weeks on a single charge, so you won't be hunting for outlets constantly. Foldable and pet safe, it's perfect for home, office, or even kids' water tables. Fry, roast, or bake for the whole family without taking over your counter. This 10-quart double-stack air fryer has 2 independently controlled baskets, letting you cook 4 dishes at once. Superheated air circulates around every layer for crispy, golden results. Smart features let you sync cooking, so everything finishes together perfectly. Compact yet family-sized, it fits under cabinets and serves up to 8 people with ease. Tired of spills and soggy drinks? These reusable silicone can lids with straws keep your soda fresh and mess-free. They fit most standard cans and create a tight, airtight seal every time. Bright, colorful designs make it easy to tell your drink apart at parties or on the go. Dishwasher safe and eco-friendly, they cut down on single-use straws. Sip comfortably anywhere, home, office, or picnic without a drop wasted. So if you want mess-free drinks anytime, scan the QR on screen. Turn any grill, oven, or campfire into a hands-free rotisserie experience. This non-electric roaster spins food 360 degrees evenly. No cords, batteries, or fuel needed. Use the round basket for wings or veggies, the flat cage for delicate fish or ribs, or the skewers for kebabs and fruit. It handles up to 5 pounds, perfect for whole chickens or roasts. Made of stainless steel, it's portable, durable, and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup after every meal. Making baby food just got a whole lot easier. This station lets you fill 3 reusable pouches at once, saving time and mess. Simply blend, pour, and squeeze. Fresh homemade meals are ready in seconds. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and stress-free. Compact and kid-friendly, it's perfect for busy parents who want healthy, homemade food on the go. Start your morning like a barista with this semi-automatic espresso machine. The built-in grinder lets you choose the perfect grind for rich, flavorful espresso every time. Dual thermoblocks heat quickly and keep the temperature steady for flawless extraction. Steam wand creates silky microfoam for lattes or cappuccinos. Compact and stylish, it fits beautifully on any counter while delivering professional cafe-quality drinks at home. So if you want cafe-quality coffee at home, scan the QR on screen. Watch your toast brown perfectly without guessing. This Clearview toaster lets you see every slice while 7 browning levels give you full control. Extra wide slots handle bagels, artisan breads, or thick slices with ease. Auto shutoff keeps mornings safe, and a slide-out crumb tray makes cleanup a breeze. One-touch defrost ensures even toasting for frozen bread, making breakfast fast, simple, and delicious. Chop, scoop, and pour without a mess. This folding cutting board bends in the middle, letting you transfer chopped ingredients straight into bowls or pans. The textured surface is knife-friendly, and non-slip feet keep it steady while you work. A soft grip handle makes carrying easy, even with a full load. Dishwasher safe and compact, it's a simple upgrade for any busy kitchen. Brew the perfect cup every time with this electric tea kettle. 5 temperature settings let you heat water just right for green tea, black tea, coffee, or even oatmeal, with LED colors showing the current heat. The removable infuser makes loose leaf tea easy and mess-free. Fast 1,500 watt heating gets water boiling in minutes, and the keep warm function holds it at the perfect temperature for hours. Auto shutoff and boil dry protection make it safe and hassle-free. So if you want perfectly heated water anytime, scan the QR on screen. Turn ordinary boiled eggs into golden masterpieces with this manual egg spinner. Just place an egg inside, pull the string, and watch it scramble perfectly inside the shell. No mess, no broken whites. Soft silicone protects the egg while mixing yolk and white evenly for full flavor and nutrition. It works with all egg sizes, and the durable design ensures countless spins. Dishwasher safe and fun to use, it makes breakfast both tasty and entertaining. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.